What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl RCA 20 hand push washer. I really hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year, because this thing has not been used since June, and ever since this thing has been kind of used a lot of times because you see how much expected this thing is, which it's definitely what's pretty nice like in my opinion, but you can see how much expected this machine has been used almost like quite a bit, because I really hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025 as I do 16. I don't even know what this eagle button even does yet, because there's no videos on anything like this, because you can see how much expected this thing was on. It will get used again at some point, even another weekend or next weekend. I don't know. So I hope at some point this thing will get used again at some point. This is a 2024 model, so you can see this thing came out before like last year, which is I was surprised this thing got used almost like quite a bit of long times. We can see how much expected this machine is, which is definitely looks pretty nice like in my opinion, but you see how much expected this machine's been used almost like quite a bit, because you know how expected this things have been used almost like every single time this machine is which is definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So I do hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year, because I mean I do like this machine, because you see how much expected this machine is which is definitely looking pretty nice in my opinion. It was really unexpected to sing so I hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025 exactly, which it will get used again at some point this year, because you see how much expected this thing was. I do hope some point this thing will get used again.